Hi, I'm Andrew from Lego Masters, and today I'm going to build something with these bricks. And I've got 9 minutes. Here we go.
Time starts now.
I didn't have a good selection of pieces, but I found these round, curvy bits and thought, what could I do with those? And I thought, I know, ice cream. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to try and shape the top of the ice cream and connect it together using some snot techniques. It's the next part I need to make the cone, and the cone is tricky because I'm really limited on pieces. So what I'm doing is I'm using a snot technique, and if you look carefully there you can see that I've got some smaller bricks and I'm overlaying them with some plates that have a stud on them, and then that stud there I could put something over the top just to give some texture. So I'm going to use a jumper plate and put that on there to make sure that that works. So this is a bit tedious, but that's all the bricks that I have. This bit here is a little bit tricky, only because it's not very strong. And so now I'm sticking that cone underneath the ice cream, just finalizing it. Little red translucent pieces. Thought this might look like strawberry flavored or strawberry pieces or something like that. Realizing the cone isn't long enough, just making it longer, just to try and make it look a little bit more interesting. Just putting some finishing touches on it, and you can start to see there the shape of the waffle cone. Okay, ice cream.
Amazing.